Let me tell you about my brother though, for real. Let me tell you about my brother. Man, let me tell you about my brother though. My brother a two-toter, my brother a tombstoner. Diamonds and violence made us bond, we grew closer. Brother a clip loader, my brother a sick soldier. That nigga stick it to you for real, he a lint roller. My brother an aim botter, I bought him a Range Rover. My brother a flamethrower, it's like he playing EDM. That nigga a chain smoker. Niggas won't smoke with us, I promise it's game over. Get your ass twist right here, he a cane roller. And then you niggas wind to J Prince like some grape growers, man, what the? Let me tell you about my brother though. Yeah, I mean enough about me. Let me tell you about my brother though. Cause I'll backhand you boys with my right hand. You niggas do your shooting on the web, you Spider-Man. My brother robbing it down, you juniors like Iron Man. My brother make your ace disappear like a sleight of hand.